Don't click that link yet. If you want to know how I'm making money every single day without doing nothing, look, I started with $4,600. I've profited over $1,100. Real money. Look, you see the withdrawal using Bruce's money machine. Here's the Telegram link. Click it. It's free. Click it. Join. Learn how. Let's get it. Yo, check it out. Big VS Diamonds. It's your boy, Bruce Webb. Check me out. You see it. Wrong side. You see it. Check me out, man. Yo, the name is Bruce Webb. Let's talk about it. Today, I'm about to show y'all how you can make money trading Forex, how your Forex account can make money every single day without you doing nothing. You can do like this for a whole month, and your account's going to make you money, right? First thing, before I start the video, go have the Telegram link under the video in the description. Go to it right now and click the link. It's free. Join the free Telegram group, wherever the link at. Go click the link. All right. So go check the link. Go to the free Telegram. That's where you're gonna see profits every day, details, information. You're gonna see all that. So go to the Telegram link in the description below. Description. Yeah, I said description. Check me out, Bruce Webb. So first, let's get into it. I'm gonna share the screen. First things first. Before we start getting into 39% profit in 3 trading weeks, start at 1026. All right. Before we start getting into the profits, 39% in 3 trading weeks, let's get into who I am, bro. My name is Bruce Webb. My name is Bruce Webb. This is me. Check me out. This is my page right now. Let's view story. What do I have on my story right now? Check me out. Look. Hold on. I'll move. But you can't. I'll go back to it. Anyway, you want to make hands-free Forex money daily? Get details here. Click here. Click my website. Okay. This is me, Bruce Webb. All right. On this 1K account, I'm up $370, 37% in 13 trading days. Well, it's 39 now, but this was a couple days ago. Same Telegram link. You can click it here. So find my Facebook name, Bruce Webb. Website link here. Telegram link here. Here. Look at this. This thing really works. And been using it up 7% this week, just a day ago. That's what I'm talking about. All right, check it. So go. This is my Facebook. Cool. Next. Telegram. Here's the Telegram, guys. The Telegram you're gonna click. It's gonna look like this. Bruce's money machine. Let me show y'all some profits. This is the past 2 weeks on my $1,000 account. See Bruce's money machine. That's the EA. This is a robot that automatically is trading your account. You set it up one time. You make money every day. Plain and simple. You set it up one time, you make money every day without having to do nothing. The robot automatically trades your account. Places trades for you, closes the trades and profit as you see for you. You do nothing. You set it up and go. So with me setting it up and go, I made $262. And you see this is a live account with the withdrawal right there. So let's go back. Boom. Austin S. He made $122 on his 3.5K account this first week. That's fire. $210 in 1 day. Well, I woke up. Look, I just woke up to 210 profits, all hands free. This is on the 23K account. On the same $1,000 account, made $50. Right? First few days, my client made $50 on his 1,029. 23K account closed $513 profit today, all hands free. You can see it. But y'all see the profits. Go to the Telegram, you can see it all yourself. Okay? Profits, profit, profits, 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 more profits and more profits and more profits. So click the Telegram link. There's even a video walking through the profits. Go to the Telegram link below. Okay? And you'll see all that. All right, let's get into it. We're gonna talk about it. This whole video, I'm just trying to get y'all to go to this Telegram link. I want to show y'all this money machine. You're gonna make money every day. It trades the market up, trades the market down. Okay. So we're doing 39% in 3 complete trading weeks. So let me break it down. Okay, here's the deposit. I started on 1026, right? 1027, closing profits, right? Closing profits 62.74. Canceled out all these negatives, right? So 28, 29, 30th. And guess what? See this jump to 1030 to 1109? This is when the election was. I turned it off for election week from like the 3rd to the 6th, something like that. 2nd to the 6th. The first week of November, I didn't have it on. Then I turned it on the 2nd week. So this is 1 week. This is the 2nd week. And then down here, we just finished up the most recent week. This past week was slow. So we can easily be at 50% right now. So we're on pace for a 50% month. It's doing about 10 to 30%. I'm sorry, doing about 10 to 20% per week. But as you see, it fluctuates. Like it's up and down. So just know that you're gonna make money, plain and simple. So hit me up. Go to the Telegram for all the details. My Telegram username will be tagged in that Telegram where you can message me for details. You know what I'm saying? Message me for details, for information, the price, the monthly price, the one-time price, locked to one account, or just the details. Just let me know, hit me up. So look at the drawdown, y'all. We're only holding negative $16. We're only holding negative $16, and we've closed $390 on a $1,000 account. Account history, you see the withdrawal, profit. All right, y'all. My name is Bruce Webb. Go find me on Facebook real quick. Shoot me a message. Shoot me a message. Go find this Telegram. The link is under this video. All right, y'all, I'm about to wrap it up. 39%, 3 weeks. Bruce's Money Machine. Let's get it. I'm out. Screw. Yeah. 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 Screw.